So we have two storms right now in the Atlantic. We have Tropical Depression 9, and we also have Hurricane Umberto. Hurricane Umberto is towards the right in the screen, and it's very organized. It's a powerful storm. It has Category 5 strength, our second Category 5 storm so far this year. It will continue to make a northward curve, eventually weaken back into a Category 4 by Monday. As it passes Bermuda, it will be a Category 3 storm. Not expecting any direct impacts for Bermuda, but could see some gusty winds and rip currents. And then as it goes into cooler water, it will weaken. So other than Bermuda, we're not expecting any impacts for the coast, but it could influence the forecast for Tropical Depression 9, or what eventually will become Imelda. So Tropical Depression 9 has winds of up to 35 miles per hour, still moving at a snail's pace, moving towards the northwest at 5 miles per hour. Eventually, it will become a tropical storm by either tonight or by tomorrow early morning, and it will go through the Bahamas through the next couple of days. Once we get into Tuesday, it should be a Category 1 hurricane as it comes close to the Georgia and the South Carolina coast. But with the new forecast track, we're indicating that the storm will be steered away from the coast and will miss the coast entirely. So this is the South Carolina coast and the Georgia coast, and we could potentially avoid a landfall, which would be a great scenario to have. Here's a look at the spaghetti models from the GFS. The GFS is indicating towards this scenario where it will completely miss the South Carolina and the Georgia coast. Still have a couple of outliers where it indicates potential landfall, but once again, it's an outlier. But the Euro has a little bit more models that indicate a potential landfall, but half of the Euro models also indicate towards the more likely scenario where it will completely miss the Georgia and the South Carolina coast. But there's still some uncertainty in the forecast because there's a lot of moving parts in the atmosphere that could really influence the path of Tropical Depression 9. But for central Georgia, here's what you need to know. We're trending towards no real impacts, and we could have some breezy conditions. We could have winds of up to 20 miles per hour by next week. But other than that, it could filter in cooler and drier air here in central Georgia. So it could actually be, it could also cause some nice weather for most of next week as well.